is welcoming a new class of 24 startup companies.
News 18's Holly Campbell explains how programs at Purdue are helping new businesses put their products in the hands of consumers.
Starting a business can be hard. Just ask startup company Sparrow Energy's Ian Klein.
Well, it's a lot of work, but it's an area that I'm very passionate about, and the rest of my team is also very passionate.
Sparrow Energy is one of 24 startup companies using technology licensed at Purdue, named in this year's class of 2014. That number is up from just 8 companies last year. Sparrow uses woody biomass to make chemicals that can be used in the flavor and fragrance industry. Klein says the company is on the road to success because of help from the university.
This process was developed by chemists and engineers in a laboratory, and Purdue and the Purdue Research Foundation gave us access to people who could really teach us the business world and lead us on the path towards commercialization.
Drug-Free Therapeutics Chief Science Officer Matthew Ward says Purdue has a culture unlike any other universities.
Purdue has a great ecosystem and culture that fosters entrepreneurship from their faculty and staff and students, and they've really opened up a lot of resources that really help mentor students who wouldn't otherwise know how to get into while starting a business.
Drug-Free Therapeutics uses devices that can manage pain through electric pulses. Ward says working for a startup is something he has always wanted to do.
Since I've been young, my father's been in and out of business, and I've really looked up to him and how he's taken something from scratch to something that's actually very valuable to society. And so in that sense, I've always wanted to really do something of my own, and this has been the perfect opportunity for that.
Like Ward, Klein says in a startup business is where he belongs.
We're doing what we love.
Holly Campbell, News 18.